Dear students, let us discuss about plane polar coordinates. And about plane polar coordinates, we can write down that it is a two-dimensional form of two-dimensional polar form of rectangular coordinate system. Now, what do you mean about rectangular coordinate system? And in rectangular coordinate system, there is two axes which are perpendicular to each other. It is generally written as x and y axis. And here in xy plane, if we want to locate a point P, then we need two coordinates. One is x and another is y. So this point P is denoted as x, y, where x means the distance from the origin along the x-axis under the point P, and the y means is the distance from the x-axis to the point P parallel to the y-axis. So this distance is x and this distance is y. So you can say that if we want to reach the point P in a rectangular Cartesian coordinate system, then we have to start from point O and we have to go along the x-axis distance x and then along y-axis at distance y, and we will reach the point P. So this is our picture of rectangular coordinate system. Now we have to understand about plane polar coordinate system, which is the polar form of this type of coordinate system. Now if we get the polar coordinate, or if we want to get the polar coordinate from these coordinates, then there is also we need two variables like x and y. There is use r and theta. So if we imagine that this is our polar coordinate system or plane polar coordinate system, and this is a point P on this plane, then P can be written as r, theta. Now we have to understand what is r and what is theta. Here r is nothing but the direct distance or the radial distance from the origin to the point P, which is denoted as r. What is theta? Theta is the angle made by this radial distance to the x-axis or to the positive direction of x-axis. This is theta. And this positive direction of x-axis in plane polar coordinate is called initial line. Now this r and theta cannot take any values. Here x and y can take any values or any real number along this axis. Here minus infinity to plus infinity, here also minus infinity to plus infinity. But r and theta cannot take value such. Here r can take only value from 0 to infinity and theta can take only value from 0 to 2pi. So here we can write down r varies from 0 to infinity and theta varies from 0 to 2pi. This is our rectangular form of rectangular polar coordinate or the plane polar coordinate, and this is the rectangular coordinate system. And we discuss in our next lecture about the relation between this rectangular coordinate and this plane polar coordinate system.